How to set up a second Gmail email address. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up a second Gmail email address. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop or computer. Now click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Add Account. Next, click on Create Account to make a new Gmail account. Enter your first and last name, then tap on Next. Now choose your date of birth and select your gender. Tap on Next again. Now, you can choose a Gmail address from the suggestions or create your custom email. After that, click Next. Enter a password for your account and type it again to confirm. Then, tap on Next. Here, you can add a recovery email address for account safety or skip it if you want. Now tap on Next once more. Scroll down, read the terms, and click on I agree. You will now be signed in to Chrome with your new Gmail account. Then click Turn on Sync to keep your data saved. You will also see an option to customize your Chrome profile. Choose how you want it to look. Finally, click Done and your new Gmail account is ready to use. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.